guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are here with a new Hyundai i30 N Performance 2022 model, and in this video we will drive it and I will give you all the feedback on how it's on the road, brakes, suspension, visibility, comfort, everything about the driving feeling you will find out in this video, so stay with me. I have also a separate video with full review, interior, exterior. If you want to check that out, probably it's already on the channel. If it's not already on the channel, click the subscribe button to see the notification when that video will come out. Now guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, check out Parisi Automobile. If you want to buy the car, see the car, test drive it, check them out. First of all, I want to give you some technical data before we start driving. So the price of the car, it's around 50,000 francs. It's around 50,000 francs, euro and dollars. They are kind of the same. So these days the price are similar. The car comes with a 2-liter petrol engine T-GDi, and the power output is 280 horsepower. 392 Newton meters. Also the maximum speed of the car 250 km/h. The 2-liter petrol engine comes with 4 cylinders in line. It's a front wheel drive system and it's connected with an 8-speed automatic transmission DCT. Now the boot space, I will give you more info in the review video, so check out the review video. But another important thing is that if you want to brake from 100 to 0, you will need 34 meters, 0.6. So that's pretty good performance for a compact sporty car like that. The car comes with a fuel tank capacity of 50 liters. The turning circle 11.66 meters. Also the car comes with front independent type McPherson suspension, on the rear multi-link independent suspension. It comes with ventilated brake disc on the front and ventilated brake disc on the rear. 19-inch rims that looks beautiful with those red brake calipers with N logo on it, at least in the front. Lovely car. So those are kind of the most important technical data about the car. If you want to find out more information about interior, exterior, I have the full review video where I give you all the infos about the car. So now let's drive the car and in the end we will make the conclusion. Alright guys, first of all, by the way, this is the key, great key. I like very much the way it looks. It has an N logo on the back, a little bit of chrome here, glossy buttons, quite nice and very light. Also, by the way, the car comes with 19-inch rims. They are special, optional here. They get it and they look fantastic. I mean, they look really good. Red brake calipers and logo in the front. But more details about that, guys, check out the full review video. There you can see all the details about the car. Now let's drive it. It comes with keyless entrance, electronic folding mirrors. We have some N logo at the entrance, aluminum plate, beautiful N seats. They look fantastic. The combination between Alcantara and leather is just lovely. And also we have this N logo there, illuminate in the nighttime. The glass roof, everything look fantastic. Even the steering wheel, guys, it's special, it's optional, and it's made in Alcantara. So we have Alcantara steering wheel. Now once you are inside the car, press the brake, press the start engine button. The car is on right now. Look at this, the steering wheel is just incredible. I mean, the same quality as on a Mercedes. If you buy a Mercedes in this class, an AMG for example, you will definitely buy, the price will be close to 100,000, and this is almost half of the price, and the quality, it's here. So lovely Alcantara steering wheel. I definitely recommend you to buy it, guys. Let me put those beautiful seat belt. They are in red. Usually they come in blue, but we have this beautiful red, great combination with the stitches here. Even the handbrake, it's with Alcantara, guys. Here we have the gear shifter selector, I should say, and we have 8-speed, as I said before, connected with this 2-liter petrol engine, 4 cylinders in line, 280 horsepower. Now guys, here is the N. More information about the N settings and setups you find out in the full review video. Here you can see the G-force. You can set up different driving modes from here. If you go to custom, you can set up the suspension the way you want to have it, sport, normal, or sport plus. The engine, you can set it up from here. You go to details, sport, normal, or sport plus. You have also this LSD, that mean from here you can improve cornering performance and stability, and you can somehow the car will automatically distribute the power to the wheels. And then you have the steering and exhaust, even the exhaust sound I will show you later. You can set up from here all those things. The performance option here, you can use the launch control, shift light, you can change the RPM, the N shift power, and the N track sense. You can activate it here if you go on the track and stuff like that. Anyway, the more details you can find out in the review video. From here you have those buttons, different driving mode. We have sport, eco, and normal mode, and here on the right side you have this race button that get you directly to the N or N custom, so you can customize the way you want it, or you can drive directly in N. Then you have this NGS button here on the steering wheel. I will show you when we drive. Once you press it, you have 20 seconds of maximum power and you can have some fun with the car. Cruise control controllers are here, but more details about that in the full review video, so check that out, guys. Let's drive it. Let's start the car. First of all, we will drive in eco mode a little bit to go out from this street. As you probably see my other review with E30, the visibility, it's really good. The seat position here, it's phenomenal. On those seats, they are perfect sporty seats. They hold you your back perfectly, and also here on the side. I feel like I can stay here for long trips without having back pain or stuff like that. Anyway, let me go to map. I want to cancel this trip, cancel the route. Let me go on the right side here. The steering wheel feels proper, like a proper sporty car. I like that very much because it's not soft. It feels really sporty. The suspension are also quite stiffer, so you feel like a proper sportier car. Now we are in eco mode. The gear shifter is fabulous. The way it's changing the gears is just lovely. The grip on the road is it's lovely. It gripped the road in a perfect way. Let's change the driving mode. If you go in sport mode, even the sound, it's a little bit more aggressive. Turning circle around 11 meters. It's quite good. I love the feeling. Wow, it feels really nice. Acceleration and the grip, it's just lovely. Even the brakes, guys, by the way, it has ventilated brake disc on the front, on the rear. Lovely brakes. And if you want to brake from 100 to 0, you will need 34 meters. Also, the sound, I don't even need to tell you that it's even better than some competitors. It's really deep. It sounds really nice. It's very responsive. Pedals are smooth, nice. If we go in N mode, let's go to N mode, guys, right now. Lovely feeling. Great grip on the ground. For this money, I think the car totally deserves the money, guys. Also, by the way, the car comes with kind of an autopilot, so it can hold the speed for you. If you set the speed from here, just set up the speed and the car can keep between the lanes and hold the speed, emergency brake, and all that safety features. You can hear the sound in N mode. When you release the acceleration, you have that exhaust sound that's so deep, so real. So can change also the view on the cockpit there. I showed that, more details about that in the other video. The gear shifter is just fabulous. I mean, the way it's changing the gears, it's lovely. Even though you have an automatic transmission on those new sporty cars, the setup, it's perfect. They set it up just lovely. Good visibility on the mirrors. Even on this mirror up here, you have great visibility. Grip on the ground, it's also nice. Wow. Wow, it's really good. Really great grip on the ground. Oh, wow. Lovely car. Really lovely car. You can change the driving mode if you want to go to eco mode, for example. Right now we are in eco. Car, it's rolling. You can save the energy more. Change from here, for example. We will see what will be the consumption in the end. In eco mode, if you want, for example, to drive economical, you can do that. It's much more silent. You cannot hear the engine so loud, so it's great that you have the possibility to do that. And years ago, when you buy a sporty car, you have only one mode, only sporty mode, only the loud exhaust and stuff like that. But if you want to go in silent, you cannot do that. But today with those cars, you have the possibility to change the different driving modes and to drive in silent. You still feel a little bit of exhaust sound and vibrations from the engine, but even in eco mode you have that power, that torque that push you back in the seat. It's accelerate much more smoothly. Even now in eco mode, the steering wheel, it's a little bit more softer right now. So it's changed the feeling of the steering wheel. It's much more softer. So it's great that all those setup are changing depending on the mode, the steering, the suspensions, the acceleration. It's great to be able to change all those things. Anyway, let's go back to N. Man, I love the way it gripped the ground. Way it's gripping the ground and the steering, feeling the feedback from the steering, it's crazy on the sport mode. Acceleration, and the most impressive, I like so much the seats. It holds me perfectly there. It's just I can't move. I just stay fixed there. Lovely sporty seats. Great job, Hyundai. Now driving 50, legal, slowly, steady. Go back in eco mode. .5 liter I have consumption until now. .2 I think you can get. I think the consumption on the car will be around 7 liters, like a mixed consumption. Depend how you drive. Suspension are also really good. They set it up perfectly for a sporty car. They are super. And also on the curve, the car sit perfect. Good visibility, good control, great price for what the car offers. Lovely car. That was the trip. Also, if you want to park the car comes with a reverse camera. If you go in reverse, you will have this reverse camera with active lines, so you can see there. It comes also with 4 parking sensors in the front, 4 parking sensors on the rear, so it's pretty easy to park it up just like that. Let me go here and then go in park and brake. That was the trip, guys. 10.2 liter consumption, but yeah, depend how you're driving. Good. So that was the trip, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get some useful information from here. If you still have questions, ask me down below, whatever you want to ask. My rating for this Hyundai i30N performance from 1 to 10 will be 9.9. As I said in the review video, if you didn't see it yet, check it out. The car offers a lot for the price, and if you would buy a competitor, you would probably buy much more money for the same offer. Hyundai grow a lot in the last years. They make great cars and I totally recommend it. Now guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to buy the car, see the car, check out Parisi Automobile. If you're around Switzerland, I will leave the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching my video. This will mean a lot for me, guys. Also, stay safe, and I guess I see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.